The U.S. immigration system has always been complex, but in 2026, it feels more confusing and slower than ever for many applicants. People around the world apply with hope, planning their future around visas, green cards, or humanitarian protection, yet very few truly understand what happens after an application is submitted. This lack of clarity often creates frustration, stress, and unrealistic expectations. Understanding the real structure of the system is the first step toward navigating it more wisely. Many applicants believe that once their documents are submitted correctly, decisions should come quickly. In reality, every immigration case moves through multiple layers of review. Applications are not handled by a single person or office. They are processed through document verification, security screening, background checks, and internal reviews that are often invisible to the applicant. Even when nothing appears to be happening, the case may still be under review. One of the biggest reasons people experience long wait times is the sheer volume of applications. In 2026, U.S. immigration agencies are dealing with millions of pending cases across all categories. This includes visas, green cards, asylum cases, and family-based petitions. Resources are limited, and cases are prioritized based on legal requirements and government policy rather than personal urgency. This means that two similar applications can move at very different speeds. Green card applicants face some of the longest delays. Employment-based and family-based green cards are subject to annual limits set by law. Once these limits are reached, additional applicants must wait until new visas become available. Country-specific caps further extend waiting times for applicants from high-demand regions. These delays are not caused by mistakes or missing documents in most cases, but by structural limits built into the system itself. Asylum seekers and humanitarian applicants face a different but equally challenging reality. Backlogs in immigration courts and processing centers mean that many cases remain undecided for years. During this time, applicants often live in uncertainty, unsure of when or how their cases will be resolved. While discussions about reform continue, meaningful changes take time to implement, and applicants must prepare for long waiting periods. Visa applicants also face misunderstandings about approval timelines. Student visas, work visas, and visitor visas all follow different rules. Approval depends not only on eligibility but also on compliance with regulations and, in some cases, employer responsibilities. Delays can occur due to additional review, verification, or policy changes that applicants cannot control. Another factor that slows down cases is background and security checks. These checks are mandatory and conducted by multiple agencies. They cannot be skipped or rushed. During this phase, case status updates may stop entirely, which often leads applicants to believe something is wrong. In most cases, it simply means the process is ongoing behind the scenes. Mistakes made by applicants can also cause delays. Submitting outdated forms, missing information, or incorrect details often leads to requests for additional evidence. Each request pauses the process and adds more time. This is why careful preparation and attention to detail are critical at every stage. Unfortunately, confusion around immigration has also created opportunities for fraud. Many people fall victim to individuals who promise guaranteed approvals or faster processing in exchange for money. No one can guarantee an immigration outcome. Decisions are made strictly by government authorities based on law and eligibility. Paying extra fees or relying on unofficial advice does not improve chances and often creates serious problems. The most effective approach to immigration is preparation, patience, and accurate information. Applicants should rely on official sources, stay organized, keep copies of all documents, and respond quickly to any notices. Understanding that delays are part of the system helps reduce stress and prevents unrealistic expectations. Immigration in 2026 is not a fast or simple journey, but knowledge makes it manageable. When applicants understand how the system truly works, they are better equipped to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. This channel, U.S. Immigration Alert, is dedicated to providing clear, realistic, and trustworthy information so viewers can navigate the process with confidence rather than fear. If this video helped you better understand the reality of the U.S. immigration system, support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, and staying connected for future updates. Staying informed is one of the most powerful tools in any immigration journey.